What's going on, y'all? Peekaboo, it's Low or Tasia, whatever you want to call me. I'm going to answer to it, and I'm going to show y'all how I put on my wig. This is not a tutorial. I repeat, it's not a tutorial right now. The only thing I know is how to grow your hair under that wig, and I'm going to put y'all on. Y'all could go get this hair growth serum, okay? Click the link in my description. Y'all could go get it. And that's the only thing I know right about now on how to grow your hair under the wig. But meanwhile, how to apply wig, yeah, this ain't my forte. But y'all can stay tuned in the video because I ended up doing it though. Y'all can end up seeing what I did. So the hair that I have is a Brazilian body wave human hair lace frontal wig, 16 inches, but it looks like 2. Let's get it together. So it just came in this all white box, plain white, and it came with little bobby pins. I looked at it like that because I was like, is this really gonna fit in my big head? But apparently it did. And this is the wig. This that wig, y'all, the moment of truth. And I'm the type that gave me a wig cap because I was like, dang, I didn't pick one up yesterday. Rest in peace to all my headphone users. I'm sorry, I should have gave them one, but I'm too lazy to type it out. And don't ask me how it smelled in the comments, please. Just keep it pushing. Just please keep it pushing. Don't ask me. Alright, so while you sitting here, I recommend you to subscribe. I mean, you ain't even got to, but if you want to, alright, cool. You can see more of me, I can see more of you, we can be friends. Or if you don't want to subscribe, at least like the video. Come on now. Here's live footage of me bugging because I don't even know what to do next. I don't even know the next step. Not me being hyped that my edges is growing. I'm telling y'all, this hair growth serum works. I'm telling you. But y'all gonna have to see for yourselves, so. Oh yeah, I almost forgot to tell y'all, there's no sound in the video because I had music playing and I wasn't turning it down. I was not trying to get copyrighted. And before y'all even try to come for my head in the comments, no, I didn't pluck the wig. I know you're supposed to. I didn't do anything. I didn't pluck the lace. I didn't pluck the part. I ain't do none of that. I know you're supposed to. Don't come for me though, but I ain't do it. Not gonna lie, at this point I was kind of pleading for Aragante or somebody to come help me. Jonathan, I don't know, but I needed some help. So who found the hidden word? If you found the hidden word, go to my Instagram right now and DM me the code so I can shout you out in my next video. If you have anything that you would like me to promote, I am doing it for free, whether it's hair, clothes, accessories, whatever. Just DM my Instagram and we'll make something work. One thing y'all not gonna do is come for me saying I don't know how to do edges. Okay, my edges is always on point. It's just this hair is dead hard to do edges, and plus I heard people say they don't like colored edges anyway. They say it look ratchet or something like that. So I guess I'm using that as an excuse, but yeah, don't come for me. This is really hard to do edges on this type of hair. Alright, so I went ahead and wrapped her up. Okay, and I'll let y'all know what's going on tomorrow. Okay, so I didn't end up making another video, but what I did was I put the headscarf on my edges and I left it on overnight, so the lace ended up blending into my scalp. Subscribe, y'all. I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in my next video.